The Timeless Watch. In a bustling city where time raced like a river, there lived a watchmaker named Samuel. Samuel, with his wrinkled hands and keen eyes, was known for crafting timepieces that seemed to hold a piece of eternity. One day, as he labored over his workbench, a mysterious stranger entered his shop. The stranger, draped in a cloak of midnight blue, presented Samuel with an ancient pocket watch adorned with intricate engravings. The stranger's voice, soft as a whisper, revealed that the watch possessed the power to stop time. Intrigued and skeptical, Samuel examined the watch, its golden hands frozen at noon. Curiosity overcoming caution, Samuel decided to test the watch. With a gentle touch, he turned the hands, and to his amazement, the world around him paused. People froze mid-step, birds hung motionless in the sky, and the city itself seemed caught in a silent breath. Emboldened by the newfound ability, Samuel explored the city frozen in time. He strolled through crowded streets, admired blooming flowers that defied the laws of nature, and listened to the silent whispers of a paused existence. However, as the novelty wore off, a sense of loneliness crept into Samuel's heart. Yearning for connection, Samuel returned to his workshop, determined to discover the secret behind the timeless watch. Night after night, he tinkered and studied, until one day, he uncovered a hidden compartment within the watch. Inside, a tiny note revealed that the watch could not only stop time but also reverse it. With newfound understanding, Samuel set out to share the gift of the timeless watch with those he felt a kinship with. He carefully selected individuals burdened by regret or lost in the currents of life. The watch became a vessel of second chances, allowing people to relive moments and make different choices. As Samuel shared the watch's magic, the city transformed. Lives once marked by missed opportunities and unspoken words now unfolded with a sense of redemption. The timeless watch, a catalyst for change, became a symbol of hope and the importance of cherishing every fleeting moment. And so, in a city once enslaved by the relentless march of time, Samuel's timeless watch turned each ticking second into a precious gift, teaching its wearers that the true beauty of life lies not in stopping time but in savoring the moments that pass, each a chapter in the story of their own making.